Pranjal, the channel is Pranjal Dadas Creativity. Today I have bought and purchased an Bugatti Veyron from Amazon, and I will show you the Bugatti Veyron RC remote control car. I hope everyone can see it. So this is the box. This is the box. This is the Amazon box, and I will open it. And I will take out the Bugatti Veyron. See it. See it. See it. And this is the RC. See the Bugatti Veyron. And this the battery charger I have bought from a shop. Battery charger for RC remote control car, and I will take it out from here. See, and I will charge it for 4 hours. See, I will keep it for 4 hours charging. And now I will. This is the car, and now I will place the battery one by one. One by one, and I will place the cover, back cover, and now we'll on it. And this is the 2 batteries, and I will open the remote back cover. And place the back cover. So see, the red light is here on, and I will on the button, and I will show you how it works. So see the car and how it's working. See how speed is. And I will back it now.